Welcome to the Norwegian Escape cruise ship. This video is going to be a tour and review of a family Oceanview stateroom. If you're looking for a full cruise ship tour, that link will be in the description of this video below. With Norwegian Cruise Line, prices are based per person, even children under 3. Generally, the cost lowers for the third and fourth passengers. In addition, Norwegian Cruise Line offers free at sea promotions periodically, so check their website for updated offers. Norwegian Cruise Line also has a $20 per person per day service charge for this particular room, which covers tips and gratuity for staff, including your room steward. The family Oceanview stateroom is approximately 340 square feet with a queen bed and a sofa, plus a bunk bed option from the ceiling, and the room can fit up to 5 guests. As you enter, your bathroom will be on your left or right, depending on which stateroom you get. Then the bedroom and the family sitting room that has a sofa bed and, like I said, that bunk bed option. This room comes with 2 TVs, a fridge, a hairdryer, a safe, and lots of storage. In terms of storage, the stateroom has lots of it. 2 closet areas in between the sitting room and the bedroom. Another closet with the safe next to the bed, and lots of drawers in the sitting room. And under both TVs. This was definitely a pleasant surprise, especially if you have car seats or strollers, large suitcases, etc. There's also a curtain partition to separate the rooms if needed. Now, the hairdryer is located in the sitting room and not in the bathroom. The fridge has optional items for purchase, but you can also use it for your personal items as well. Now, the Oceanview comes with a window that is larger than other cruise lines, with amazing views of the water or the ports of call. The TVs have mainly ship information and a handful of news and basic cable channels. One thing that is handy with the TV is there's an interactive option to explore the ship, check your account balance, and or book your tender RSVP for the Great Stirrup Cay port. Now, the bed and the beddings were rather comfy. There are extra pillows and blankets in the closet as well. Each nightstand has a USB plug option. And there are other plug options by the desk and mirror area in the sitting room, including a European plug option as well. In terms of light access, you will have to use your room key plugged into the slot as you enter, or the lights will turn off after about 15 seconds or so. In addition, there are 2 switches to let the room steward know whether or not to make up the room or do not disturb. Now, the bathroom is quite large for a cruise ship stateroom. It has a double sink, storage under the sink, a detachable shower head, and comes with body wash and shampoo. The bathroom light switch is actually on the outside of the bathroom, which can be annoying if your children like to mess with each other. Now, each day your steward will make up the room and be present around the area, so if you need anything, they can assist you. In addition, the room steward will bring you a freestyle daily brochure which highlights all the events, entertainment, and hours of all the restaurants and amenities on board the ship. Now, overall, the family Oceanview Stateroom was a great and pleasant stay. It did not feel claustrophobic, had lots of storage, and was comfortable. And the ocean views were amazing. If you are looking for the full cruise ship tour of the Norwegian Escape, please find that video in the top right corner of this video or in the description below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.